The industry standard in the electric business is a 1-year warranty. And that's if the electrician even offers a warranty in the first place. Believe it or not, when we first started our company, we just went with the flow. We rubber stamped the same industry standard policy. But then customers would call us well after that 1-year warranty had lapsed. And if you're watching this video, you know we sprinted out to that customer's home and didn't charge them a dime. When we'd talk with other tradesmen, they'd somewhat chuckle at our naive business sense. Why on earth would you guys go back out to the customer's home for free? How are you going to stay in business with that kind of business model? Quickly, we started building a reputation around this, though. I'm not going to spin the truth. There's been times where possibly a customer here or there took advantage of our commitment here. But overwhelmingly, the result was worth it. We found that customers trusted us. Whether they're installing a whole home generator or maybe lightning has struck their home, we found that they wouldn't rather go to any other electrician, even if we didn't come in as the lowest chuck-in-a-truck bid. That's when we decided to just come out in the open and own it. We stand behind our work. As of the time of this video, we're likely the only electrician in the areas we serve to extend a lifetime craftsmanship warranty. So how does it work? We break everything up between our craftsmanship warranty and then our mechanical warranty. One's for guaranteeing the quality of our work, while the other one is guaranteeing the quality of the parts or systems that we're installing from these manufacturers. So let's start with the big value proposition, the thing that made us a fixture in the homes of all of our customers, our lifetime craftsmanship warranty. What that means is that we guarantee our work will not fail due to something we've done wrong. If it does, we'll replace it. This is a huge differentiating factor for us as a company. So what this covers is, of course, we guarantee quality work. I don't care how long ago we performed work at your home. Any defects in the installation or repair work performed by our technicians will be fixed free of charge. Next, no trip charge for repairing our own work. Obviously, this is limited to only work that we installed and covers repairs directly related to our workmanship. So if your Uncle Tim or a chuck-in-a-truck electrician alters our work, we obviously can't come back and fix somebody else's work. This is limited to 100% of the job cost. The exclusions on this warranty are really simple and standard. Acts of God, so damage caused by natural disasters, fire, flood, or other acts of God, such as lightning striking the home. These are what insurance claims are for, and not related to the integrity of our materials or the equipment that we've installed. Additionally, alterations or repairs done by non-Touchstone electric personnel. Issues arising from improper maintenance or misuse of the systems installed. So now let's take a look at our mechanical warranty. Though we warranty the quality of our work for a lifetime, materials eventually will fail, regardless of how well they're installed. We aren't manufacturers, we're electricians. So naturally, the mechanical warranty on our materials and equipment belongs with the manufacturers of these items. However, this is why we purchase and warranty the best materials as well. I mean, the GFCI outlets we procure, they cost literally 5 times the amount of shorter life alternatives that you can find on Amazon. And we know that other electricians are buying these cheaper knockoff products because we're constantly replacing them in homes. Just as all outlets are not made the same, neither are the more important items like electrical panels and breakers. That's why we only use the best and stand behind not only our quality of work, but the quality of the equipment we install as well. There's a few items that break this mold in a positive direction. For instance, we warranty our aluminum panels 20 years, and for copper panels, we warranty them for 50 years. It's because we believe in the solution so much that we actually going ahead and extend that warranty. Before we conclude this video, let's go over a few examples to reinforce the key points. Let's say a motor fails. After 20 years of constantly running, overwhelming the system, no, we won't cover that as it's not what your outlet was intended for. But yeah, if it wasn't properly terminated, connections were loose, and arcing caused that unit to fail, then we will 100% cover the cost to fix it. This falls under our lifetime craftsmanship warranty. Now let's say we were called out to replace a burnt-up outlet and discover that the circuit is overloaded. We'll provide you with some options to split that into 2 circuits and properly distribute your power load. If you decide to just have us replace the outlet without splitting up the circuit, then the outlet's inevitably going to fail again because you're asking us to put lipstick on a pig. Until we can fix the real problem here, we can't continue coming out to replace that overloaded circuit for free, obviously. All right, now let's say that you purchased one of our copper panels with a 50-year mechanical warranty. In year 49, that panel's bus bar fails, and you weren't rigging it up to try and power an industrial supercomputer on it or something. So you call us, and we're going to swap out your panel free of charge 49 years after we installed it in your home. Our customers, they call us not just because we answer their calls by name. We also know their homes. We've taken care of them. They know that we truly stand behind our work, and they never need to regret paying a company that will honor their quality for a literal lifetime. That's why our customers choose us, and that's why we're in business, to provide the best quality work and the highest level of service for our customers.